This video is going to be about fighter jet pilots and everything related to them. When we are talking about fighter jets, pilots are highly skilled and trained professionals. They undergo rigorous training and selection processes to ensure that they have the necessary skills and abilities to handle the demands of flying a fighter jet. They must possess exceptional physical and mental stamina, excellent hand-eye coordination, spatial awareness, and problem-solving skills. Pilots should be able to make quick decisions and be able to work effectively as a team. In addition to this, they are also trained to have knowledge about weapons and tactics, and they must be proficient in using advanced computer systems to communicate effectively with their crew. Training is a crucial part of a fighter jet pilot. Without it, he would be helpless and ineffective during battle. It typically involves several stages, starting from initial flight training. This is where aspiring pilots learn the basics of flying a small aircraft like T-38 Talon. Pilots start learning its controls, how to take off, fly and land safely. After 100 hours of flying T-38, pilots move on to simulator trainings for F-16, F-35 and F-18. Here pilots learn advanced flight skills such as combat scenarios. Pilots learn the skills specific to flying a fighter jet, such as air-to-air combat tactics, air-to-ground attack tactics, and advanced navigation. Finally comes the operational training. This is where the pilot learns how to operate the specific fighter jet they will be flying in combat, and also practice missions with other pilots. One thing to remember is that throughout the training, pilots must also maintain a high level of physical fitness and mental readiness. They must clear regular physical and medical exams to ensure they are capable of handling the physical demands of flying a fighter jet and making quick, accurate decisions in high-stress situations. The uniform of a fighter jet pilot is designed to provide maximum protection, comfort, and functionality during flight operations. The components of a pilot's uniform are a flight suit made up of fire-resistant material that is designed to protect the pilot from extreme temperatures, high altitudes, and other hazards associated with flight operations. A lightweight, impact-resistant helmet that provides protection to the head and face. It includes features such as an oxygen mask and built-in communication system. Gloves are also made up of fire-resistant materials and have features such as anti-slip coatings and touchscreen compatibility. Their role is to protect the hands and provide a strong grip on the aircraft's controls. And most important of them all, a G-suit or a gravitational suit. It is a specialized garment worn by fighter jet pilots to help them withstand the high gravitational forces experienced during aerial maneuvers. G-suits typically include inflatable bladders in the legs and abdomen, which apply pressure to the lower body, preventing blood from cooling in the legs and depriving the brain of oxygen. Without a G-suit, pilots can experience loss of consciousness, which can be life-threatening and result in the loss of the aircraft. Highest G-forces are observed during quick turns at high speeds. The maximum G-forces that a fighter jet pilot can withstand while wearing a G-suit can vary, depending on a number of factors, including the pilot's physical condition, the duration of the G-forces, and the effectiveness of the G-suit. However, generally speaking, Modern G-suits can provide protection up to around 9 Gs. A knee board is a piece of equipment that is commonly used by pilots as part of their uniform. It is a small clipboard that is strapped to the pilot's leg just above the knee and provides an easily accessible surface for pilots to make notes, refer to maps and checklists. Overall, each component of the uniform is carefully designed and tested to ensure that it meets the demanding requirements of aerial combat. Fighter jet pilots are among the most skilled and highly trained professionals in the military. Their expertise is critical to maintaining air superiority and protecting national security interests.